Affidavit of Notice of Mistake and Correction of the Record. Overview. An affidavit of notice of mistake and correction of the record is a formal legal declaration made by an individual, known as the affiant, to officially notify relevant parties of an error in a legal, contractual, or administrative record. This affidavit serves as a legal instrument to formally correct any misinformation, misrepresentation, or clerical mistake that may have been entered into government, corporate, or private records. It ensures that false, inaccurate, or misleading information is rectified to prevent legal disputes, wrongful claims, or unauthorized obligations imposed on the affiant. Such affidavits are frequently used in cases involving identification documents, property records, contractual agreements, tax filings, and court proceedings. Legal standing and importance. An affidavit of correction is a sworn statement made under penalty of perjury, affirming that the information provided is true and accurate to the best knowledge of the affiant. Courts, agencies, and institutions rely on such documents to uphold due process and legal accuracy, ensuring that individuals are not held liable for administrative or recording errors that were beyond their control. Common mistakes that require correction include misspelled names, incorrect dates, or wrong addresses on official records. Incorrect legal classifications, such as misidentification as a corporation, statutory person, or legal entity. Unintentional agreements or obligations imposed without the affiant's consent. Misapplication of jurisdiction under statutory or corporate law, when common law rights apply. By filing this affidavit, the affiant invokes their right to correct public and private records, preventing wrongful presumptions and maintaining the integrity of their legal standing. Key elements of the affidavit. A properly structured affidavit of notice of mistake and correction of the record typically includes the following. 1. Declaration of identity. The affiant clearly identifies themselves using their lawful appellation and declares their capacity, e.g., sui juris, secured party, living man/woman. 2. Statement of the mistake. A concise yet detailed explanation of the error in the record is provided, along with references to any documents or case numbers that need correction. 3. Correction of the record. A clear statement specifying what the correct information should be and how it should replace the incorrect entry. 4. Legal basis for correction. Citing applicable laws, precedents, or constitutional provisions that establish the affiant's right to correct the record and avoid misrepresentation. 5. Notice to all interested parties. The affidavit serves as official notification to any government agency, private institution, or individual responsible for maintaining or acting upon the erroneous record. 6. Affiant's signature and notarization. The affiant signs and affirms under oath, often before a notary public or another authorized witness, to give the document full legal effect. Jurisdictional implications. Many errors in public records result from presumed jurisdiction, particularly when individuals are unknowingly classified under corporate, maritime, or statutory law rather than their rightful common law standing. This affidavit challenges incorrect jurisdictional assignments, prevents future misapplications of law, restores the affiant's proper legal status. This is particularly relevant for those who assert their rights under common law, sovereign citizenship, or UCC-1 secured party filings. Conclusion. An affidavit of notice of mistake and correction of the record is a powerful legal tool that ensures an individual's rights are not compromised due to clerical, administrative, or jurisdictional errors. By formally correcting the record, the affiant protects their lawful identity, secures their legal standing, and prevents any unintended legal obligations from being imposed upon them. This affidavit serves as public notice and legal evidence that any future claims, disputes, or enforcement actions based on erroneous records are null and void due to the official correction.